Today in the online class session of accountancy, I will explain you one more topic of the chapter Company Accounts, Issue of Debentures, and that topic is redemption of debentures. The term redemption means repayment. Repayment of debentures is to be explained here to you. After the expiry of the stipulated period for which debentures were issued, we need to make repayment to debenture holders. And this repayment of the amount due to debenture holders is further categorized by me under two cases. The very first case is when the debentures are to be redeemed at par, means nominal value, at face value. We are going to redeem the debentures. If the face value of debentures is rupees 10, then we are going to redeem the debentures at the same value, that is rupees 10. At nominal value or the face value, we are going to redeem the debentures. Under this case, the very first entry to be passed is related to the amount which is due to the debenture holders. Here, in this topic, or say when we need to redeem the debentures, then the debenture holders will be our creditors. They will be our liabilities. Okay. And when the creditors or liabilities increases are to be shown on the credit side. So same thing is done here in the very first journal entry. You can see the debenture holders are shown on the credit side. In the very first journal entry, we have shown the amount due to debenture holders. X% debentures account debit to debenture holders. This will be the journal entry. For showing the treatment of amount due to debenture holders. Now in the very second entry, whatever amount due will be there in the first journal entry, that amount will be repaid or paid to the debenture holders. When the amount is paid to the debenture holders, then in such case, debenture holders, that is our liability, will decrease. And whenever liability decreases, in accordance with the rules of debit and credit are shown on the debit side. So we need to show debenture holders on the debit side, and we are making payment to the debenture holders by way of check. So our bank account will decrease. Bank being our asset and is decreasing. So in accordance with the rule of debit and credit, it will be shown the credit side. So the journal entry to be passed here is debenture holders account debit to bank. Amount due paid to debenture holders. Right. Now we are going to discuss the second case, when debentures redeem at premium. Premium is the extra amount. We are making payment to the debenture holders and an additional payment is made. Additional payment indicating the premium amount. Premium itself means the additional amount. the extra amount. When we will pay an extra amount to the debenture holders, then it will be loss for us. And loss here shown by the name of premium at the time of redemption will be shown on the debit side, because as per the rule of debit and trade, the losses are shown on the debit side. Okay, here I have shown premium on redemption of debentures on the debit side. Okay. Only this point is added in the first journal entry related to case A, case first. See here. In case A, the journal entry was X% debentures account debit to debenture holders. Okay. Only I have added one additional point, that is premium on redemption of debentures on the debit side, and nothing else changes you can see in the second case. Okay, X% debentures account debit to debenture holders was the journal entry to be passed in case A, but in case B we are redeeming the debentures at premium, and premium being a loss is to be shown on the debit side, and that I have shown here. Okay, right. Now there will not be any change in case A second entry and case B second entry. Debenture holders account debit to bank, debenture holders account debit to bank. Okay, right. So only a change can be seen in the very first journal entry. Right, and no other change can be noticed in any of the entry passed in both the cases. So this was the topic, redemption of debentures. Whenever the journal entry related to debentures will be asked, we need to do the treatment by way of journal entry in this form. Okay, right.